Hello, my fabulous viewers, and welcome back to this session of tarot reading. Now, this is an eclipse time is coming here on 14th of October this month, and it's a solar eclipse happening in Libra. Now, these eclipses have a huge impact on us. There can be beginnings, there can be endings also. So, these are the spiritual messages which the universe wants to convey us through these eclipses. So this is for the sign of Leo. Now Leo, you are undergoing a big transition and transformation in your life. Excuse me. Sorry. So Leos, you are undergoing a big transformation and rebirth in your life. Things are changing. Things are changing very drastically, and so you will have to accept those changes and you will have to adjust to those changes. This is very important for you, Leos. Otherwise, you will be very, very sad. Now, this is, you might be traveling also. So, you need to connect to spirituality. You need to understand why, what is happening and why it is happening. So, when you connect to the spirituality, you will get all the answers. So, the first card which I have got for you is adventure. So, Leos, you are being asked to to stop leading this bored life, or if you're feeling depressed and sad, you should go out into the world and have adventure. You can go out hiking, you can go out and visit friends, you can have a time out, a break, anything which makes you happy, which is adventurous. So this is what the message is, that you should, instead of being passive, you should go out and have adventure. Adventure means that something which motivates you, something which helps you to encourage, जो आपको encourage करे, वो चीज़ें आप जा कर के करें. Another card is of healing. So as I told you, Leos, कि आप एक rebirth के थ्रू जा रहे हैं, आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. सो यू हैव टू हील योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. मे बी आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ है या बहुत जो भी चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, यू नीड टू हील नॉट ओनली योर सेल्फ बट अदर्स ऑल्सो. So you need to become a healer kind of, so that you can solve other people's problems as well as yours. You can become a shamanic, you can become a reiki healer, और आपको अगर ज़रूरत है then you can be a you can go to if you need help, professional help, you can seek professional help to come out of the trauma. You can also heal other people, दूसरों को heal कर सकते हैं. You can do reiki, whatever, you can do chanting, anything which heals you is very important for you, Leo, at this time. And the last card is the spiritual पार्टनरशिप. तो आपकी लाइफ में कोई एक ऐसा व्यक्ति आने वाला है जो आपको स्पिरिचुअली अवेकन करेगा. आपको कुछ रियलाइजेशन होगा कि लाइफ इज़ ऑलवेज चेंजिंग एंड यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट दोज चेंजेस. आपको उन चेंजेस को एक्सेप्ट करके आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट चेंजेस. लाइफ इज़ नेवर स्टक. और आप अब तक हो सकता है आप स्पिरिचुअल ना रहे हो, देन यू विल गो डीप इनटू योर सोल कि आपका मेन आपका सोल पर्पस क्या है लाइफ में. तो आपकी लाइफ में इट इज़ अ सेइंग, एक सेइंग होती है कि व्हेन द स्टूडेंट इज़ रेडी द टीचर अराइव्स. तो आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति आना चाहता है या आने वाला है जो कि आपको स्पिरिचुअलिटी सिखाएगा, जो कि सिखाएगा कि हमारे साथ जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हमको होते हैं वो क्यों होते हैं, कैसे होते हैं, and they will connect you to God. So in one way, your whole reading is about spirituality. Your whole reading is about healing. Virgo, sorry, I don't know why I said Virgo. Maybe you're dealing with the Virgo, Leo people. Now the numbers which are important for you are number 1, and you've got double digits number 55, number 66 and 27. Now 5 is definitely a energy shift. Your energy is shifting. And जो आप पहले काम कर रहे थे, you are going to lead a totally different life. So it is a big energy shift for you. So 5 is all about changes, adventure, definitely. So number 1 is important for you. Then another double digit which you have got is number 66. Now 66 is number 12. 6 plus 6 is 12 and 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 is also important for you, and number 9. So ये जो number 1, number 3 and number 9, number 1, number 3 and number 9, एंड ऑल्सो नंबर 7, 7 इज़ अ नंबर ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी. तो आपको ये नंबर्स इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है आपकी बर्थडेज हो इस नंबर पे, या ये नंबर पे आप कुछ शुभ काम कर सकते हैं, और दे आर सम हाउ इम्पैक्टिंग योर लाइफ. And the colors which you can use is, blue color for healing. It is connected to the throat chakra. Purple color, violet color is connected to the crown chakra, which is like, uh, being spiritual. And adventure के लिए आप you can use bottle green, orange, yellow. These are very very uplifting colors. So Leos, you are undergoing a big transformation, a big energy shift in your life. So please take care of yourself and try to be spiritual. Leave the past in the past and move ahead in your life. So this is what I have for Leos for this eclipse season, and I hope you like this reading. So please hit the like button and see you next time. Till then, bye bye.